Is it time to sell the Bitcoin yet? Is it time to sell the Bitcoin? Now we can see that the Bitcoin has been ranging for a little while now. Ever since February, it has been ranging. Now, if you ask me, 58,500 is the level to beat. And we have a level here that I'm expecting price to obey, right? This marker here is a very important area, right? So if you ask me where price is here on the daily time frame, we should have a further drop to test this area here as resistance and then support, and then maybe we could even get to the 28 marker, right? A lot of traders are saying buy on the dip, buy on the dip. Well, this might not be a case of buy on the dip anymore, right? Let's see how things go. This is just a quick video talking about Bitcoin, giving you another perspective of what we have here. You can see the range, and this area here is very important. Let's see what happens. 58,500 is the level to beat. If the buyers take it past this place, then of course it is back to being bullish. But for me, the structure over here, the structure that we have over here in this section here, this structure, study this structure well. It is a structure for the sellers. So let's see how it goes. I would update this video in a bit. Do trade safely, and of course don't forget to use your stop loss and use volume that is directly proportional to your account balance. Okay guys, catch you next time. Cheers.